Hi there, my name's Edgar. SalonLite by Premier Software has seen some snazzy updates that benefit its online booking feature. Available with SalonLite Premium and Unlimited, online booking gives clients the ability to make a booking through your website. Today I will show you the new makeover in action for you to then try out. First, head to www.premiersoftware.uk and the SalonLite page to log into the system. Click Login if you're using the old version of SalonLite, or log in to New SalonLite and enter your details. Once logged in, you will see the diary screen. Head to the left menu and click Administration and then Salon under it. To the right, click the System Settings tab. Further to the right, you will then see your online booking website address. Highlight this and right-click with your cursor or by holding your finger down on the address if using a phone or tablet. You will then be able to copy the link. In the browser address bar, you can then do the same and select Paste and Enter to head to the online booking screen. Here you will see the sleek new login screen showing your salon name at the top. Clients will then be able to input their email address and password before pressing the login button. And if they don't already have an account, they can click to create this or even change their password or reset this if forgotten. Once clients log in, they can view any future appointments with absolute clarity. This will show any service they have booked, the date this is due, and the time slot. It couldn't be clearer. If nothing is booked, then clients can click the large Next button to view what is available. Using the new clean appointment menu, clients can book an appointment in 4 easy steps. Step 1 is to use the first drop-down menu to select a service. Step 2 is to select a member of staff who will carry out the service. Step 3 is to use the bold calendar to choose a suitable date. Step 4 is to then pick a time slot. The appointment details will then be reviewed below, clearly showing the duration and price before finalising. Clients can then click the pink Book Now button to place the booking. A green tick will then confirm the booking has been made. Clients can click Go Back to view their appointment details. And do you know what's best of all? Clients can do this all through their phone or tablet, meaning they can place the booking no matter where they are. Just as long as they are set to allow online booking in your SalonLite system. To do this, head back to SalonLite and click Clients. Then click the applicable client to head to their client card. To the right, you will see several marketing options in addition to a tick box to allow online booking. Make sure to tick this. You can then invite the client to make an online booking using the invite button at the bottom of their client card if needed. You can also place your online booking link on your website or send this via email or SMS through the marketing section to prompt clients to make a booking. I hope that's helped. SalonLite Premium is available at £20 per calendar month, whilst SalonLite Unlimited is available for £30 per calendar month. Upgrade now to make use of SalonLite's online booking feature. You can also sign up for unlimited features free for 60 days. Why not subscribe to us on YouTube and check out our other how-to tips and tricks. You can also catch up with exclusive SalonLite updates on Facebook and Twitter at SalonLite. In the meantime, we have other videos available to help you. Thanks for watching and take care.